Ben Bradley.
And I'm Lourdes Duarte. We do begin the 4 o'clock news here with some breaking news. President Trump is commuting the sentence of Larry Hoover, co-founder of the notorious Chicago street gang Gangster Disciples.
The 74-year-old has been seeking early release from 6 life sentences for murder, conspiracy, extortion. He was even accused of continuing to give orders to the gang from behind bars. Hoover is still facing sentencing on state charges. He claims he's a changed man since he went to prison back in 1997. Until now, his petitions for early release have all been denied. We'll continue to follow this story and bring you the latest throughout the evening.
Other news today.